really gonna marry the first girl you've ever been with?
Well...
One girl in your entire life. I'm sorry. I shouldn't have told you.
Yes, you should have, but you can do better. Look at you. You're like a model. I mean, when we hug, I look like a skin tag hanging off of you.
Ew.
Oh. Oh.
Come on. You're a man.
A man? What led you to believe that?
Sorry. I can get a little rough sometimes.
Sure. Me too.
I'll see you tonight.
Right. Tonight, yes. I'll see you tonight.
Oh, this one? Yeah. This is Lucky 7.
Oh,
Like,
yeah.
my mom got it for me because my family was just like, oh,
So, what does the tattoo on your neck say?
Veni, vidi, vici. I came, I saw, I conquered.
Is it Wiki or Vicky?
Vici. It's Latin, so soft beats.
Huh.
You got tattoos?
Me? No. Unless you count Thug Life sprawled across my chest, but that's henna, so...
No, I was just super scared. Like,
He's gonna be fine. He freaks out about everything.
What? I do not!
Every time you sit down at the piano now, you mention that your hands are shrinking.
My handspan does seem smaller.
Okay, and then last week you thought your hair was going white.
I found all these white hairs on my collars.
Okay, which was cat fur.
But I didn't do a DNA test.
Okay, it's so ridiculous.
you know what I just realized? I have never heard you play the piano.